sky belongs to the birds. Although, they are also the masters of the land and the sea. No other groups of animals can venture so high in the air, nest in all land masses, and dive such a great depth below the water. Images of birds in flight soaring through the sky signifies hope and freedom. But flying is not the only thing they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of just how amazing and intelligent these birds are. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us start our show by welcoming our flag-raising first bandits! Now, bandit is a red and green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw. Macaws are widespread in forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, our show has officially started. A round of applause for our flag-raising bird bandit! Hello everyone, a pleasant afternoon to all and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. My name is Jace and I will be your host for today. Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends. But you know, best friends can sometimes get competitive, right? Yes, now let us all meet Blue and Azul. Now right over here we have Blue and over here we have Azul. Alright guys, before we start this friendly battle, I will be dividing you into two groups. All the boys in the audience will cheer for Blue. Alright boys, let's say, go Blue! Go Blue! Alright, okay. Now, all the ladies, let's cheer for Azul. Alright, ladies, let's say, go Azul! Go Azul! Go Azul! Okay, now, today they will battle it out over who's the best in a basketball game. So, guys, are you ready for first game? Yeah! Alright, everyone's ready, trainers ready, birds ready, and go! Now, here comes Blue with his first ball. Guys, how about we do a second round? This time, let's have a ring race. Now, for the mechanics of the game, the first birds who get 3 rings in the hoop the fastest is the winner. Alright guys, are you ready for the second game? Alright, everyone's ready? Trainer ready? Birds ready? And go! Here comes Azul with his first ring. Oh, wait! Alright, Trainer Mary, you want to see that? 3 rings at this. Can you say about it?
What's that, Trainer Mark? You guys cheated.
Did you guys cheat?
No, we cheat. Azul just used his brain.
So is it true that girls are more wiser than the boys? Now this time we would like to introduce to you to the 3 different kinds of parrots we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. we have our green wing macaw bandits, our blue and gold macaw Goldie, and our blue named parrot Yoshi. So guys, our birds and trainers will have a close introduction with y'all. But just a friendly reminder that if our birds and trainers roam around near you, please let us remain seated and avoid from grabbing or touching the feathers of the birds because our birds easily gets frightened and could bite. Again guys, that if our trainers and birds roam near around you, please avoid from grabbing or touching their feathers as our birds easily gets frightened and could bite. Thank you! Now everyone, are you ready to see your parrots? Yeah! Alright, now let us welcome the 3 different kinds of parrots we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. Right over here we have Goldie, Bandit, and Yoshi. Now first up we have our great wing macaw bandits. As you can see, Bandit right there is covered in red plumage, while its tail and wings being green and blue. Bandit right there also has a white naked face striped with small red feathers, and its scientific name is Arachloraptorus. Now say hi to everyone, Bandit! Hi! Now to the other side, Bandit, say hello! Alright, up next is our blue and gold macaw, Goldie. As you can see, Goldie right there has a beautiful shade of blue on its head and back, and a solid shade of yellow in its belly and little wings. Its eyes and beaks are solid black, and its scientific name is Ara ararauna. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 blue and gold macaws. The 2 which you met earlier were blue and azul, and that right there is Goldie. Now lastly for our blue named parrot, Yoshi. Yoshi is native in Borneo and here in the Philippines. It is locally known as the green parrot or the pikoy. As you can see, Yoshi has a picture of blue on its head. And just a fun fact, everyone, Yoshi right there is the kind of bird that you will see at the back of our 500 peso bill. Now let's talk about their lifespan. Yoshi right there can live to 30 to 40 years old, while Goldie and Bandit can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for the 3 types of parrots we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our green wing macaw Bandit, our blue and gold macaw Yoshi, and our blue named parrot Goldie. Now, parrots are particularly known to be perceptive and intelligent. That's why we keep on enhancing these skills to prevent them from boredom. Now everyone who knows this game? Now this game is called Shape Puzzle Box. Do you remember playing this when you were little? This bandit right there will be showing us just how intelligent and perceptive he is by putting the correct shapes into their corresponding slots. Now let's go, Bandit! Now, even though this is a learned behavior that Bandit is demonstrating, he still has to go and get all the shapes back into their correct slots. And all of these are possible because of his memory, perception, and intelligence. Now, shape, Bandit! And there you go! Very intelligent, right? A round of applause for our Bandit! Now guys, Do you believe that birds can be psychic? Do you? Because I do. Now, right. What I have here is a small object that I will be hiding in under one of these 3 silver cups which are empty. Now guys, where do you want me to hide it? On your left, right, or in the middle? Again, where do you want me to put it? Okay. Okay everyone, no coaching, okay? Now let us welcome our psychic bird, Goldie! Now guys, if you believe that Goldie really has the ability to find their hidden object, say, "You can do it, Goldie!" Alright, Goldie, are you ready? Please find your hidden object. Now Goldie is searching, using your psychic power, and we found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie! So earlier, we showed you the 3 different kinds of parrots we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. Now this time, we'd like to introduce you to our cockatoos. Now, these birds are recognizable because of their crest and their curved bills. We have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our umbrella-crested cockatoo Nigel, our Moluccan cockatoo Snow, and our Gopin's cockatoo Fergus. Again guys, our birds and trainers will have a close interaction with us. Please, again, remain seated and avoid touching or growing their feathers as your birds easily get frightened and could bite. Now everyone, are you ready to meet our cockatoos? Alright, now let us welcome Tweety, Nigel, Snow, and Fergus. Now right here we have Snow, Tweety, and Nigel. First up, we have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, scientifically known as the Cockatoo galivida. As you can see, Tweety right there is primarily white, black beaks, and a distinctive silver yellow crest. Now that right there is Tweety's crest. Now next up, we have our umbrella-crested cockatoo, Nigel, also known as the white cockatoo or the great white cockatoo. These birds can be distinguished from other white cockatoos by its woolly crest that raises like an umbrella. Now its scientific name is Cockatoo alba. And if you're going to compare our silver-crested cockatoo to our umbrella-crested cockatoo, clearly our silver-crested cockatoo is primarily white with a much more distinctive yellow crest, while our umbrella cockatoo right there has a much more pale crest, and also their crests are larger. Now lastly, we have our Moluccan cockatoo right up there, Snow. Snow is native in the Serra archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Moluccan cockatoos are also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of their pinkish and white-colored feathers. These birds are also considered to be the largest among the white cockatoos, and its scientific name is Cockatoo molescensis. Now, in general, cockatoos use their crest for communication and movement, whether they are excited, frightened, or when in breeding. These birds can get really loud and can mimic any sounds. Now, Tweety and Nigel can live up to 4 years old, while Snow right there can live up to 80 years cockatoos we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. We have our silver-crested cockatoo Sweetie, our umbrella-crested cockatoo Nigel, and our Moluccan cockatoo Snow. Now guys, who here loves mathematics? I see a few hands. But what about the rest, guys? Do you not like math? Same. Well, anyways. Guys, do you believe that birds can do math? Is that a yes or a no? Alright, let's see. So, before we call in our great mathematician, I will be asking you guys for two different random numbers between 1 to 20 for our mathematician for to solve. Is that okay? Yeah! Alright. So, what should be your first number, guys? Give me a number. Alright, I see 10 over there. And for the next number, guys? I see 4. Now everyone, we all know the answer to this, right? Yes. Okay, no coaching. So, before we call in our mathematician bird, I will be shuffling these cards right in front of you. Alright, now that our cards have been reshuffled, let us call in our great mathematician, Goldie! Alright, now, let's see if... Oh, sorry, my bad, it's not Goldie, it's Snow. Okay, let's see if Snow studied last night. Or nag-scroll lang ba si Snow sa TikTok? Alright, Nicholas, is Snow ready? Now, Snow, please answer the equation for us. Alright guys, we need to do a reshuffle. Seems like our bird didn't study last night. Alright, let's give Snow a second chance. Alright, Snow, are you ready? Now please answer the equation for us. So guys, is the number that Snow picked correct? Alright, Snow, please complete the equation for us.